We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our ridiculously quick and easy gravy. You can make this with homemade stock, store-bought stock, or use pan drippings. While this isn't 100% necessary for delicious gravy, to make the absolute best gravy, we use dried mushroom powder. It's sort of our secret weapon. I know it seems a bit odd, but wow, does it add lots of flavor. To make it, add dried porcini mushrooms to a blender and blend until a powder. The powder lasts in the pantry, so you can use it again and again. Another secret weapon for the best gravy is fresh herbs. Try sage, thyme, or rosemary. You can use 1, 2, or all 3. Just chop them small. In a wide skillet, melt butter over medium heat. Add an equal amount of flour, then whisk until a paste forms. See how it's turning darker? That's good. You're looking for dark blonde in color. Add warm stock or use pan drippings to the butter and flour, then whisk until smooth. We're using a mixture of stock and pan drippings from roasting a chicken. Check our roasted chicken video for how we do it. Bring the gravy to a low simmer, whisk in the mushroom powder, herbs, salt, and pepper, and then cook for a minute or 2 until thickened. Check the seasoning and adjust with more salt if needed. Turn off the heat, then for extra creamy gravy, add a splash of half and half or cream. Serve or store in the fridge up to 5 days. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.